What is up, guys? We are currently already funded. Thank you, Lord. We are currently funded. Okay. We had a nice front test right here, and now we're looking into a short setup after we have swept liquidity from this and tapping this order block right here and tapping this order block right here. Okay, and in this trade, I took a short market sell after seeing this inversion, and now currently on this candle, which we're going to have a break of structure. We could see, to be honest, a partials around this level. We could remove this first, hide this first, and hide this first. Let's hide these guys, and we could have a reaction off of this level on which we could take partials. So this trade is currently a sell of 0.03. So not that big, not that small. We could set partials 0.01 at this level. Are we on that level already? Not yet. So that level is around this guy. 15-minute right here, 15-minute gap around this level. We could close partials and set break even. Yeah, partial close 0.01 and let 0.02 runner, unless that level gets decimated. You would close out $5 right there, maybe like haven't tapped that level yet, so we're not closing. Our stops, let's actually set up our short position right here. This level, stop right there, and take profit right here. Our stop is in 8.69, pretty big to be honest, not ideal. Okay, we're gonna close there. We close 0.01 and we could set break even once this 5-minute candle closes. We could, to be honest, look for the 1:1 and set up those levels. This is position that we took, shorted from this guy right here. Stops around here, 8 point something. Take profit around this level. It's really not the level, but somewhat like that. We took partials correctly on that level. To be honest, what we traded on might be a retracement, considering the amount of volume that's happening in the trade. So we could, to be honest, look for stop loss 4245.87. Um, 87. Entry point is 4237.32. 4237.32. And that's it for now. And to be honest, just look at the 1:1 of that trade, of this trade that's happening. We're not past 1:1, so we're not putting it to break even. take profit would be ideally on this order block. Actually, it's set up better on this order block right here, which is the red candle right here. So to be honest, okay, doing that correctly. Yeah, full TP right there. Where's the order panel? It's not showing up correctly. So our full TP should be right here on this level. Confirm. Remove the order panel. We could set break even, to be honest, to mitigate our risk. We currently in discount, we're still 30 seconds for this candle to close. It's still a bit of bearish momentum, bearish volume. At this level, we're gonna have, what did I mark out there? Okay, the 15-minute imbalance, I think. The 5-minute, this is our setup right here. An inversion, and then a retracement to that inversion. So let's see in the 1 minute if that level would be respected. This reaction is from the 15-minute fair value gap, 15-minute imbalance. 30-minute, we are about to close that candle. We haven't put break even yet because we haven't closed 1:1. Haven't had the candle closure 1:1. A lot of volatility at this time, which is 10:56. Usually 10:30 to 11, a lot of volume in the market, a lot of volatility. You can say that volatility is your friend, but it can also be your enemy. If we close below that 1:1 and to that imbalance, we could probably could have entered off this candle closure right here. But we weren't able to. Two minutes for this candle to close. still have bullish momentum right now. One minute for this 30-minute candle to close. We've only close 5.73. Not that good, but not that bad as well. I think those. DXY is still dumping. Tariffs continues to dampen US demands for imports. So traded into news, not really. News ordered 9:30 p.m. Tomorrow there's no US news, so probably we can trade Asian and New York session. We're about to close with momentum. Okay, we just respected that level again. To be honest, we're still respecting that level a bit. That just means there's a clear imbalance on that level. Okay, that's a scary candle. Still respecting this consequent encroachment. Seconds. This is a bearish flag. If this candle closes below these levels, then I think we would be able to close, or that's a close on that 15-minute imbalance right there, and we can set break even. Yep, we can probably set break even right there. Okay. Set break even right there. Where's our session? Here's it. Update our stop loss. DXY is still dumping, a bit of retracement. 5-minute candle hasn't closed below. You will just tap this breaker block right here. Possibly this level right here. That's why we're having this momentum right here. 15-minute. Not really an imbalance to tap into that we tap into. 30-minute. Okay, in a 30-minute we're in a fair value gap. To be honest, can't see that level. Possibly hide this first. Then hide this. Okay, this is the imbalance in the 30-minute. Causing that bullish momentum. We haven't tapped the consequent encroachment of that level, I think. Unless you mark out the wrong levels. Hide these for now. Hide these for now. Let's lower the opacity of this candle. we just tap into consequent encroachment. It's 30 minutes. That's why we have a bullish momentum. That just means we haven't closed below the 1:1. In a sense, we didn't really respect our strategy. Okay, as you can see right here, perfect level, consequent encroachment of that 30-minute imbalance, reaction of that. That's why we're having this bullish momentum right now. If we get stopped out, that's okay. This is already a free trade. 15 minute. The size is 0.03 lots. Not really a lot, not really ideal. But price might go higher, as you can see. And we might be close out of this trade. One is to 1.29. Bullish momentum of that 30-minute consequent encroachment imbalance. We may have traded into that retracement. I think we're gonna get stopped out right here, considering this imbalance is pretty small. And if we get past the consequent encroachment, it might still have some bearish momentum. We could adjust our stops, to be honest, just above that level. Here's the fair value gap, 5 minute. Right here. So we could adjust at this level, stop loss. I think this is fine. Gonna get stopped out right here. This might be a resweep, unless we get some reaction off of this imbalance. The problem, or like the challenge in trading into a volatile market, is you might miss your entries, and in that regard, you should probably wait for the market to set up something, such as this guy, and then look for a setup after there. The invalidation points of this trade is those imbalances: 15-minute imbalance, 30-minute imbalance, possible breaker block, and a possible resweep of these highs, which is Asian highs. But we took this position because we did have this bearish order block right here. We see the price reversing the 1 minute, a clean inversion right here. After this candle closes, we did take this trade. A lot of volume and volatility in this market. You might get stopped out right here. If this imbalance happens, this is a clean BPR. That just means that this imbalance in the 5 minute doesn't have enough sellers compared to the buyers that we got from the 30-minute imbalance. Sort of respecting that level right there. 1 minute for this candle to close. No bullish imbalance right there. Formed in a 5 minute at least. We can't have partials anymore considering our lot size. Let's just let the trade play out. Let's open up YouTube to have something to watch. After this, we're going to backtest at least for an hour. And then Tornado's backtest. I will sleep around 2 a.m. considering that I've slept earlier. Oh, I saw this on Instagram.
Good morning, guys. We are in LA, and today we're going to be linking up with Charlotte, that degenerate trader. I don't know how else to describe her. I mean, like, pop up her content right here, bro.
Don't be fat around me cracking some lame ass jokes. Okay, I go there. I'm a bad person, and I don't give a fuck.
Today's gonna be a fun day. We're gonna grab some coffee, some breakfast, whatever, then go mess around, go buy some clothes, maybe buy each other a fit, and find out if this girl's legit. You know what I mean? It's currently 9:48 a.m. I can't lie. Me and Charlotte already linked up 2 times. We went to dinner, went out 1 time, and we got freaking destroyed.
That's fine.
So there was no opportunity to vlog. But today we're gonna do a full vlog and get a bunch of cool content for you guys. So let's give her a call, see what Charlotte's up to. Yo. Wake the
That's it
fuck
right there.
up.
We're
Wake
gonna
the
close
fuck
the
up.
recording.